I would like to speak few words about the heads of our institution. It gives me great pleasure to speak a few words about our respected chairman, Mr. Nagur Babu sir. He is the guiding force and pillar of strength behind our institution. With his vision, dedication and commitment, he has inspired all of us to aim high and achieve excellence. Our chairman, Mr. Nagur Babu sir, believes that education is not just about books but about shaping character, values and leadership. His constant encouragement motivates teachers and students alike to give their best in everything they do. We are truly blessed to have such a visionary leaders who leads with wisdom and humility. Thank you, sir. Wisdom, care and dedication, her constant support and inspiration leadership motivate both teachers and students to strive for excellence every day. Director Ma'am's vision and hard work helped our school reach great heights. We are truly grateful for her guidance and encouragement. Thank you, ma'am, for being a true inspiration for all of us, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. A very happy Diwali to all. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the festival of light, a day that marks the victory of light over darkness and knowledge over ignorance. May this divine light brighten hearts and mind with love, peace and positivity. Let the light of Diwali guide us to walk the path of truthness and goodness. Now let's continue the celebration with joy and together.
Question number 2. What is the name of the demon king defeated by Lord Rama? Correct answer. Question number 3. What is the name of Lord Rama's wife? Sita. Correct answer. Question number 4. In which month of the Hindu calendar is Diwali celebrated? I repeat it once again. In which month of the Hindu calendar is Diwali celebrated? Answer: Kartika Amavasya. Question number 5. Which vow was broken by Rama to get married Sita? Correct answer. Question number 6. Who is the guru of Lord Rama? Correct answer: Vishwamitra Maharshi. Question number 7. What was the name of the bridge built by Varanasainyam? Correct answer: Ram Setu. Question number 8. Who is the brother of Sugriva? Correct answer: Vali.
See, Diwali is a festival full of lights, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And joyful festival, and it is the joyful, most beautiful festival you are celebrating in our India. And it is the mark of good or evil, to fight good with evil, right?
Yes, sir.
And it is the victory, the day Lord Rama to defeat demon king Ravan. Isn't it or not? And one more thing, why you are celebrating Diwali? While Lord Rama returned to the Ayodhya after 14 years, the people welcomed him with lightnings. That lightnings is called diyas. So since that day onwards, we are celebrating Diwali and every year. Understood? So that's why we are celebrating Diwali. And I hope the Diwali will make very lightful and very joyful Diwali for all of you. I hope you all enjoy this program, and moreover I want to congratulate the cultural captain. From day before yesterday onwards he is coming and asking, sir, what is the thing I want to do, sir, right? So give him a claps for that. And after that, Bhavana, she trained the students a lot, right? She is the cultural captain. Give a claps to her. And my thanks to cultural incharges, Mrs. Devika Rani and Mrs. Jayasila, for conducting this program in a smooth manner. Give a big round of applause for them. And finally, I want to say my heartfelt thanks to our chairman sir and director ma'am to plan the Diwali celebrations today. See, even though in Rainbow they are celebrated only at least 40 to 45 minutes today, but here we are taking the time almost 2 hours. So this is the opportunity. It's given by totally our chairman sir and director ma'am. So my heartfelt thanks for them. Thank you all. And happy Diwali. Be safe and be safe, right? Thank you.